Welcome, fellow explorers, to a journey into the fascinating world of quantum levitation. Today, we delve into the science behind this mind-bending phenomenon, its potential applications, and the exciting future it holds for humanity. But first, what exactly is quantum levitation? Simply put, it's a mesmerizing display of quantum physics in action, where superconducting materials repel magnetic fields, causing them to levitate and defy gravity. At the heart of quantum levitation lies the Meissner effect, where superconductors expel magnetic fields from their interiors, resulting in perfect diamagnetism. This expulsion of magnetic flux generates an upward force, causing the superconductor to levitate above a magnet. From floating trains to frictionless transportation systems, quantum levitation opens the door to a myriad of revolutionary applications that could transform the way we travel, innovate, and explore. Imagine a world where high-speed maglev trains glide effortlessly along tracks powered by the principles of quantum levitation. Or picture frictionless bearings and motors that operate with unparalleled efficiency and reliability. The potential benefits of quantum levitation are vast and far-reaching. From reducing energy consumption and carbon emissions to revolutionizing transportation and logistics, the possibilities are truly limitless. But what lies ahead for quantum levitation? As researchers continue to push the boundaries of science and technology, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications emerge in the years to come. In conclusion, quantum levitation represents a paradigm shift in our understanding of physics and engineering. Its potential to revolutionize industries and improve human life is truly awe-inspiring. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of quantum levitation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of science and technology. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.